The 41st session of the Indian National Congress was hosted in Assam for the first time in the year 1926 at Pandu near Guwahati. The session was presided over by S. Srinivas Iyengar and was attended by several distinguished national leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi, Motilal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Madan Mohan Malviya, Sarojini Naidu, Abul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali, and Shaukat Ali. The song we are presenting today was sung at the inauguration of the session, and it earned appreciation from the noted leaders. It was composed by Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhary. Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhary was a poet, playwright, and patriot, all rolled in one. He took part in the independence movement for India and was imprisoned by the British for the same. He is popularly known as Aham Kishori, means the Lion of Assam, because of his firebrand nationalist character. He was the president of Assam Sahitya Sabha in 1950, the highest literary honor of Assam. In this song, the poet has described the gathering as the avatar of Lord Narayana. In the era of Dwapar, Pandavas organized the Rajasuya Yajna under the guidance of Lord Krishna. But unlike in the former era, there is no avatar of Lord Vishnu in the present. Thus masses themselves have to take the avatar of the Lord and come out of the tyranny of British rule by fighting together for independence. Jai Aham, Jai Hind.
Jai Aham, Jai Hind.
বন্দুকি সন্দেলে সমাগত বীরত নর